Hey friends, welcome back. Today in this video we will solve this algebraic problem, and it is x square plus 900x raised to the power negative 2, that is equal to 61. Then we'll have to find the value of x. So fan, please don't forget to give thumbs up to the video and subscribe our channel. So fan, for solving, first of all we'll convert this x raised to the power negative 2. We can write it as 1 over x square. So now we'll write this equation as x square plus 900. So here we'll divide by x square. So 900 is divided by x square, and that is equal to 61. Now from the denominator value we have x square. For removing this x square, we'll multiply both sides by x square. So here we'll get x square, and if we'll multiply by x square, then we'll get x raised to the power 4, and here x square, this x square and denominator gets cancelled, and here we'll multiply by x square. So here we have only plus 900, and in the right hand side that is equal to 61 x square. Now in the next step we'll take this 61 in the left hand side, so we'll get x raised to the power 4. We'll write this first, negative 61 x square and plus 900 as it is, that is equal to 0. Now in the next step we'll convert this 61 in two parts by the products of 900. So 900, if we'll convert into its product, we'll get first by 5, then it is 18 5s are 90, so 18 and 0 180, then again 5 times, so it is 3 5s are 15, 3 and 30 here, so it is 36, and we can factor this 36 in two parts, 6 and 6. So the factors of 900s are 5 times 5 times 6 and 6, so it is 36 and it is 25. So 25 and 36, if we'll add this, we'll get 6 and 5 1, 2 and 3 5 and 1 6, so we have 61. So we can write this 61 as negative 36 x square and negative 25 x square. So x raised to the power 4 as it is, plus 900, that is equal to 0. Now from first two terms we can take x square common. So here x square we can take common, and the remaining here is x square and negative here 36. And now from these two terms we'll take negative 25 common, and the remaining here is x square, and here it is 36. So we'll write negative 36, that is equal to 0. Now we can take common. We can take x square minus 36 common again from these two terms. So we have x square and negative 36 in one bracket. In another bracket we'll have x square minus 25. X square minus 25, that is equal to 0. Now the two factors value is 0. So we can write either x square minus 36, first term is equal to 0, or another term x square minus 25, that is equal to 0. Now here x square is equal to 36. Now for calculating value of x, we'll root both sides. So we have x in the left hand side and in the right hand side, plus minus square root 36. So the value of x will be plus minus 36, square root is 6, and here it is x square is equal to 25. So the value of x will be plus minus 5. And here we have 4 solution of x, that is equal to 6 plus minus 6 and plus minus 5. This is our answer of this question. So friend, hope this video was very interesting for you. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.